Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so let's check this drop two voicing. Uh, I'll start with this song. Your name is a strong tower than Jesus. Right? Or let's check the same drop two on this song. I'm showing you first before teaching. Let's check this. For you are great. You can do something like, you do miracles so great. Alright, so need I mention that I'm in the key of F, right? F. It contains F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Alright. For the second song, For You Are Great, I tried using it to cover a 7-3-6 progression. I don't know if you are aware of the number system. For your F, that's 1, your G is 2, your A is 3, your B flat is 4, C is 5, D is 6, E is 7, then F is your 1 again, right? Okay, so before I show you this, I want to introduce you to my intermediate piano course. The syllabus is showing on the screen. If you have not gotten a copy, you should chat me right away. My contact is on the comment section. You should chat me right away. Yeah, or you can also buy on seller if you're in different country. But then you feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp to buy your copy right away now. So it's just 7,500 for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people abroad. So I don't know, in this new year the price might go up again. So if you've not gotten your copy, rush to my DM now and get your copy very fast. Alright, so what is drop 2? I already explained that before on this channel. Let's say we have a chord F major chord, for instance, F, A, and C. So your drop 2 is the second highest melody. So what's the highest melody on this chord? That's the top right. So what's on the top right? C. What's the second highest melody? That's A. So drop 2 simply says, pick this middle note in your chord. That's the second to the highest melody note, and take it to the left hand. So it becomes like this. So if you want to do the same thing for this chord, it becomes this. So we could have something like this. We could have something like this. Right? Right? Okay, so we could have something like that. So that's the same thing we are doing here for this drop 2. Your name is a strong tower, Jesus. So what am I doing? I'm simply doing this chord, this minor chord, which is a B flat minor chord. So I'm simply doing the drop 2 for that. So the second inversion. So this is B flat minor chord, B flat, E, D flat, and G. So the first inversion goes like this, the second one like this. So I'm simply doing this. So taking this, the drop 2. So we have a F and F, D flat on the right, then B flat on the left. So after that, I'm going over these inversions of D flat, diminished 7 chord. So I have D on the left, C sharp and B flat on the right. Then next chord, E on the left, B flat and G on the right. Then the last chord, second to last chord, D flat on the left. You can see that on the screen. G and E on the G and E on the right. Then to your 1. So so your name is a strong tower. Then you respond, Jesus. Now in the 7-3-6, for you are great, you do miracles so great. So you can use it to go back to 1 or go back to 6. So to learn more, make sure you get come to my DM, grab my intermediate piano course today to learn more. You will see my fingers, you see the MIDI screen and every other stuff you need to know. God bless you.